जा जा अंदर जा अंदर जा अंदर जा अंदर जा। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैं कितनी कंजूस हूँ ना। पहले सोचा कि मैं ये वीडियो बहुत छोटा बनाऊंगी, स्पेशली ऑल माय because I don't have AC in the drawing room. काफी sweaty हो रहा है, बाल खुला रखने को नहीं हो रहा है. But anywho, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share certain products which are not viral in the market. At least according to me, I have not seen them floating around the internet or Instagram. Either I stumbled upon them randomly or my favorite influencer recommended it to us. I picked these up and they worked out so beautifully. Some of these have become my holy grail. To begin with, I have a combination skin type which kind of gets dry to normal in winters and sweaty and oily in summers. Also have acne prone sensitive skin, also have condition called as contact dermatitis. Certain ingredients like alcohol or supremely fragranced products. So with that put aside, I think grab something to eat because this is going to be a long video. So without further ado, let's quickly jump ahead into the video. Let's just start with skincare first. The first product that I want to give a shout out to is from the house of Formula RX, and this brand in general is not that viral, that spoken about. So this one is the Formula RX Barrier Relief Lightweight Ceramide Moisturizer, and this one is recommended to me by some of you guys. I don't remember the name, I'm so sorry. A couple of you guys asked me to try this product out way back. I think it's been already more than 6 months. I started using it just now, like maybe 2 mahina hua rahega, which I've been consistently using this product every single day, sometimes in BD also. I mean morning and night time skincare routine as well. This one is in the variant for oily skin, and if you see the product, this is how the product looks like, and you guys can see इसको मैंने इतना खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, but बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने इसको use करा है. The packaging and all is super minimal. The product in itself is so good, and the packaging sometimes doesn't matter. Rather than like doing a fancy packaging or अंदर का product अगर अच्छा नहीं रहेगा तो क्या ही फायदा है. This one has niacinamide, ceramide, trilipid complex, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and colloidal oatmeal. So this is recommended for oily, combination, sensitive, acne-prone skin. They also say on the packaging that it is non-comedogenic, which is a boon. They have said Barrier Relief is a non-comedogenic lightweight gel cream moisturizer, strengthens skin barrier, hydrate, it suits a sensitive skin, balances excessive oil, and makes skin glowy. Actually, I have to agree to all the claims that they have said. It is formulated without fragrance, without any artificial color, sulfate free, drying alcohol free, paraben free, and formaldehyde free, which is a great thing. I just talk about the common ingredients. I'll have it on the screen. So this has triglycerides, glycerin, which is a very good humectant. It has niacinamide, propanediol. It also has sodium hyaluronate, colloidal oatmeal, which is amazing, allantoin oil. It has a lot of ceramides. It has cholesterol again, which is a very good thing. It also has dimethicone. Maybe because of that, you feel so smooth on the skin, especially for oily skin. And overall, whatever like they have mentioned out in the ingredients, I don't think any of them is comedogenic. So overall, this moisturizer is it's a hit if you belong to oily or combination or sensitive skin in general. You must try this product. It is so lightweight on the skin and it blends into the skin immediately. Like you see, yeah, and that's it, it's gone. Like I apply it and I just spread it out. Sometimes I don't even feel like massaging into the skin because it is so lightweight, yet it feels as if like you're drinking water. So it's very good and it completely gets absorbed into the skin. Like give it 1 minute or so. It doesn't feel drying, but it completely gets absorbed into the skin and leaves a beautiful slight subtle glow, which is not going to disturb in this humid weather for you guys. Absolutely doesn't have any fragrance. All of you who have been like eyeing this product, definitely get it because this is non-comedogenic. It's not gonna break you out. So this is how it looks after a minute or so, completely gets absorbed into the skin. So overall, this product is so good and it's budget friendly as well. Like you can get it from the Formula RX website only. So I'm not sure about the other colors. I am eyeing the sunscreen. Have you guys tried out the Formula RX sunscreen, the new viral one that is going so viral? So I'm not sure whether I should get it or not, but because recently I've had a very bad experience and I just concluded that whatever product which is going super viral, I'm not gonna get it at least immediately because they are viral for a reason. Maybe the product is not that good. I'm not talking about for all the products. Of course, like very good products do get viral because of obvious reasons. But what I mean to say is, जब भी कोई product market में आता है और वो एकदम viral होता है, like everywhere if you keep seeing that product, I have had very bad experience with certain products because I immediately get it. Maybe that's why they're promoting it so much. So yeah, I'm gonna press pause on buying all the viral products immediately and like stick to certain things. Like I'm gonna do research and then buy, because I'm wasting my money as well. And जब भी मैं कोई product देखती हूँ, look at that glow. Oh my god, that product definitely did work for me. Like whenever I got products based on those claims, those products didn't work for me. Like look at that pigment, look at that shine, look at that color. Oh my god, no, those claims don't work for me. I mean, don't get offended, but yeah, if you guys recommend certain things, I would definitely buy because I'm like so thankful for you guys to recommend me this, and this absolutely works. So that's my first skincare product. Then the next skincare product that worked so miraculously, and I've been obsessed. Like you can say, this is something that I've like currently obsessed with. I know this is also another viral tag where people say I am obsessed. Those products doesn't work again. But yeah, currently coming back here, I am literally obsessed with this product. So I have to give a shout out to this. Dot and Key के sunscreens इतने viral होते हैं. Dot and Key का वो barrier repair moisturizer which has like so many of comedogenic ingredients, that is like super viral product. But I don't know why no one is talking about this product. This is the Dot and Key Blueberry Hydrate 12% Barrier Boost Face Serum. And you guys can see I've already purchased a backup. I've not even opened this one. Okay, I'll show you like open करके, क्योंकि ना ऐसे भी फिर comments आते हैं कि that is just a cover. So you guys can see this is full size product and this is the empty one. I don't know why people aren't talking about this product. I am so grateful and thankful to Shweta Vijay. She recommended this in one of our favorites, monthly favorites. I don't remember. I'll make sure to link her video also somewhere here. Definitely go and check it out. So many good ceramides and good ingredients. They say it has like 7 ceramides. It has 12% barrier boost face serum. So in this 12%, it does not mean कि 12% of niacinamide है. No, 12% barrier boost serum में whatever ingredients are there, they all are segregated to like between the 12%. So it's not that niacinamide is on a higher concentration. My skin barrier was damaged. This was the only 2 products that I used. I'm not even kidding you guys. I use this daily, morning and night, and oh my god, it did wonders. I cannot even, like, if your skin is damaged, I would say just give break. Do not apply any actives. Of course, this has niacinamide, but it is not on a higher concentration. Do not go for 10% niacinamide. It's too much for our skins. So definitely try these 2 products on my recommendation. Like if you believe in me, definitely try this product. This is how the product looks like, and this is super lightweight, you guys. It is just gone. एक या दो पंप आपको काफी है पूरी स्किन के लिए, and it is gone. It doesn't have fragrance, again the best thing. So these are packed with good ceramides and niacinamide, some cholesterol, lipids, glycerins, all sort of humectants. I'm talking about this combo. This combo is match made in heaven. So like acne prone skin, definitely try this product out. Come back and later let me know how you guys enjoyed this product. So this one is an absolute buy, and I'm actually currently obsessed. The next product which I am like again currently obsessed with is this moisturizer from Pilgrim. I have done a collaboration with them. It's not because why I'm recommending this. Dot and Key ka moisturizer, you guys know it has like a lot of ingredients which causes like comedones. But Waring said that if you belong to anyone who is combination or even oily skin type and have an acne prone skin or have damaged your skin barrier, you can check this moisturizer out as well. This has apart from ceramides, it has 5 ceramides. It also has niacinamide and it also has additionally Korean cica. So what Korean Cica does is it kind of calms down your skin. So if you have active acne, you can go for this moisturizer as well. It has the additional benefit of having a Cica in it. However, one thing that I would say is people are claiming this product to be for dry skin type as well. The company brand in itself has said it's for dry combination sensitive skin. I don't think this is for dry skin person because super lightweight. Like I'll show you product. So all this moisturizers are absolutely fragrance free. Again, I'll show you. This is super lightweight, guys. Guys, see. This is sort of it's a cream, but it also looks like a gel. So this is something which would not work for a dry skin person, definitely, because I, being a combination skin, I used this in my winter. और मेरे विंटर्स के लिए भी ये हमारे विंटर्स के लिए भी इतना ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइजिंग नहीं था. So that's what I'm saying, it's not for dry skin person. And this gets absorbed into the skin so nicely because they have lot of humectants. I think they also have like silica, dimethicone. Yeah, they do have dimethicone in this, because of which you get that silicone feel, which is like good for oily skin person. Because of that dimethicone, I don't think dry skin people will enjoy it. But having said that, this is a very clean, good moisturizer, fragrance free. If you have like active acne or have damaged your skin barrier, check this product out. Amazing moisturizer. Then another moisturizer which I've started including in my morning skincare, like along with the sunscreen, when I'm not using these two, is this moisturizer from a Plum. This is the Plum Rice Water Niacinamide 2% Clear Moisture Gel Cream. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I'm very happy that they have added 2% niacinamide into it, so that like if you want to layer, you can layer. Like for example, this one has niacinamide, this one also has a certain amount of niacinamide, this one also has a niacinamide. So even if you layer them, it's not gonna be above like 5%. I feel if you're starting out, you start with like 2%, 3%. Like 2 to 5% is a therapeutic index for niacinamide. Do not go above it. It's not for our skin type, not for Indian skin type. And if you have sensitive skin, no need to go above 5% niacinamide. That way you can use it daily and you can layer them also. To zyada nahi hone wala. This is perfect, perfect for anyone who has oily skin type, because this is a gel moisturizer and it's a perfect moisturizer for the upcoming summer as well. And you guys can see मैंने इसको इतना खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. I don't think this has a fragrance. Let me read it out. Okay, no synthetic fragrances, no colors, amazing, no essential oils. So it's safe also. People, it is absolutely like a jelly consistency. So you can see, oh my god, it is so, it's like a water. This one is absolutely like a water, but it does have that slippery feel. So again, it's very good for like oily combination skin type. So this is how the moisturizer looked like. We'll see how it looks after 1 minute or so. This one also I use it in the morning skincare. Sometimes when I'm feeling super sweaty, I'll use only this moisturizer, go ahead with some MAC sunscreen, and I'm all about it. रात में मैं ये barrier booster serum और ये moisturizer लगा लेती हूँ. I have one more product from skincare. This one is the Aqualogica Barrier Repair Gentle Cleanser. So this has avocado and 5 essential ceramides. It strengthen and hydrate. So Aqualogica का ये जो barrier repair उन लोग ने release किया था, the sunscreen is super viral. I've not tried out the sunscreen, but perfect for someone who has dry skin. So if I have to choose one amongst this and the Dot and Key Barrier Repair face wash, I'm going to choose that one because this is extremely gentle jelly consistency. It does not lather that much, it doesn't foam up that much. Actually, it doesn't foam up at all. So you need to take a little larger quantity and then go over it, just massage it and then wash it off. Winters mein I really enjoyed it. Almost khatam ho gaya, bahut kam bacha hai. If you guys can see, it is this absolutely transparent jelly type. So this is absolutely perfect for someone who has dry skin. For my oily combination skin, I felt it's very moisturizing. Like it absolutely does not strip off any moisture from your face, is what I'm trying to say. As you guys know, I like a little bit of a face wash which completely lathers, so that I can like feel as if like my moisture is all stripped out. I know it's not the best feeling, but I like it, especially in the summer season. So I would probably repurchase the Dot and Key one, and I may repurchase this in the winter season. Or if someone has a dry skin, family, like you definitely need to try this out. This is very gentle cleanser, so yeah, definitely check this one out. Again, all the skincare that I showed you today is perfect for someone who has damaged their skin barrier. So basically it's all for repairing your skin barrier infused with ceramides, glycerides, and some good ingredients. So I think that's all for the skincare. I have one hair care. This one is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil conditioner. So L'Oreal का जो hyaluronic range है, you guys know I love that range and that's so viral. People keep talking about this, but I don't know why people don't talk about this one. This one has been working so good for my hair as well. For my hair type, you guys know, chemically treated, colored, and smoothened all those kind of hair, and this works very beautiful for the ends. My ends feel super smooth, like झाड़ू जैसा नहीं दिखता है after like washing my hair, and this has been working out so nicely. Again, इसको मैंने इतना use किया. It has a very pleasant, nice aromatic smell as well. And this is a basic L'Oreal conditioner. So definitely check this one out. If you have dry hair, frizzy hair, you'll enjoy this one. The hyaluronic range is also good, but this is also equally good. This does not weigh your hair down, which is very important. Otherwise, the hair looks flat और आपको मन करेगा कि वापस hair wash कर ले. Let's move on to the most awaited makeup category. So makeup category mein, I'm gonna give shout out to this blush, but this one is a Tint Cosmetics Emily in Paris collection makeup tint, lip and cheek tint. This doesn't have a shade because they only have one shade in it, and you guys can see the real proof मैंने इसको कितना use किया है. I love this tint even more than the Etude House Dear Larding tint because this is not super pigmented, and you guys know I don't like any blush or tint which is like super pigmented. You can build it up, you can layer it up, you get good blending time because Face Shop ka tint is super long lasting, but you need to blend it so quickly. That's not the case with this. Plus this looks so good on the lips as well. It is super water like, and I've been enjoying this tint more than the cheeks on the lips because it's very good to mix match as well. Of this, and it gets blended so nicely, and you can layer it because it's not gonna look patchy at all. It just leaves a like wash of color. Let me just show you a little bit. Face makeup is very light makeup, like I've not applied any contour, mascara भी मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया है, and I'm trying out this eyeliner which is not a good eyeliner because it is kind of sticking on my crease. I didn't have any expectation on this eyeliner. It's a blue eyeliner, if you guys can see. Not a fan. And it is long lasting as well. And it looks good on the. Okay, now I'm messing it up. Gloss के ऊपर tint कौन लगाता है? Okay, we have officially ruined. I use this for my work as well. I use this for my gym as well. Yeah, definitely try this one out. So yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna like finish this in a couple of months. So that's my first makeup pick. Then the second makeup pick is from the House of Swiss Beauty. इसके बारे में मैंने शायद पहले बात कर चुकी हूँ. This is the blush stick and the highlighter stick. I don't think many people are talking about this. This was sent out to me for the collaboration. I did put up a post, but since then I've been using this as well. This is in the shade, the blush is in the shade Buffed with Rose. Such a beautiful corally brick shade which kind of will suit our skin tone so nicely. I'm so glad that they sent out this kind of a shade. See, such a beautiful blush stick. The highlighter is so good. I'm not a powder highlighter person, but I like anything that looks wet on the skin. This is what this one does. This is in the shade Golden Hour, and oh my god, wait, I'll show you. This is a perfect champagne color, and again, nobody's talking about this. I don't know why. Like, why would I buy a Fenty Beauty ka highlighter when this is so good? This gives you a wet look, very nice for our skin tone, and it's, you can build it up, you can tone it down. I have applied this multiple times on my eyes as well, and it works so beautifully. So check this duo definitely. I don't know whether I have a coupon code with them, but it's not an affiliated coupon code. It's just for you guys to get some additional discount. While we are at Swiss Beauty, I do have one more product. This one is from the Craze line, and this is the Dual Mascara. I posted a full Swiss Beauty one brand makeup tutorial on my channel where I have used this on screen. This is a purple shade, but one end has the black mascara and one end has the purple mascara. This black mascara on its own, like even if you don't want the color, you can use this mascara alone. It gives super good volume and length. Love the mascara. And I've used this purple mascara also alone, and it still looked good on me. Like, I loved the color. The payoff is very good as opposed to, I think, Maybelline Sky High mascara has been receiving very mixed reviews because they say the burgundy color doesn't show up. Thankfully, I didn't pick that one up. But if you guys want something fun, especially for this summer upcoming season, you can play with certain colors. So this would add a very good factor on your face, because people will be like, something is there, something is not there. So definitely check this one out on my recommendation. Nobody is talking about this. Is this Blur Big Glitter Energy? This is basically a Blur Cosmetics आई शेडो टॉपर. अगेन आप लोग देखो इसको मैंने कितना यूज किया. लाइक, कैन यू गाइस सी? आई एम लाइक scraping things out. Why is nobody talking about this? If you guys want a wet glow, check this one out. I've used this on my eyelids as well. I've used this on my cheeks as well. They look so wet. This does not have any shimmer particle whatsoever. Like, this is how the highlighter looks like. This is also sort of a champagne color. Looks wet. And even up close, this does not have any shimmer particle, like chunky shimmer particle. Blur Cosmetics से कुछ products are very good and it's very subtle. So let's do that. I'll show you what I mean. आज मैंने आर्च ऑफ आईब्रो भी हाईलाइट नहीं किया है, बट गुड ना, आज आपको मैं ये दिखा पा रही हूँ ना. Like, see, this is what I'm talking about. This looks super wet and super glowy. Like, I most of my tutorials में मैं यही यूज करती हूँ. मुझे पाउडर हाइलाइटर्स अभी हमने पूरा ही बंद कर दिया है. I've literally like layered this up so much, पर ये बिल्कुल खराब नहीं दिखता है. How it looks on my eyes as well. This actually originally a eyeshadow topper only, not a topper, it's like a liquid eyeshadow, like one and done kind of eyeshadow. But I majorly use this on my cheeks as well. Like, see, when you are doing a nighttime routine, if you guys do such things, light ke reflexes mein na, it's gonna look so good. You're gonna look like glowy goddesses, but not shimmery disco ball. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, check this one product out. I don't know whether they have more shades. I'm sure they do have more shades. I'm not sure which shade is this one. I'll make sure to pop it on the screen, but I love this shade. Let's move on to the next product. This one is the My Glam Pose HD Banana Powder. Again, this is absolutely not viral. I was like little intimidated because of the color. I thought, okay, this is so bright. I thought it will give a lot of flashback and stuff. But oh my god, this powder is so finely milled. I don't know why people are not talking about this product. This product needs to go viral. This is little expensive for the quantity that you get. This is 9 gram product for 699, 700. I picked this up at offer around like 580 something. Definitely expensive for a 9 gram. It's a very small pan, like if you see. This is so finely milled, like, and this does not give any tint. And why I say it's so good is it does not do your skin super matte. This product is something which even a dry skin person will enjoy it. This product will not make your skin dry, but yet will set your makeup. You can use this as a finishing powder as well, and you can set your makeup as well. And this does not disturb your makeup. This does not like cling onto the dry patches. Extremely oily, this product will not work to like set your makeup or keep your oil at bay. But for that, you can also use a setting mist. I personally like powders which are like this, like not high on coverage or not super matte, because super matte product over the time it doesn't look good. It kind of clings onto the dry patches and cakey hone ka bahut chance hota hai aapka base. So these sort of product will not make your a base cakey. Overall, this product is super good. If you can afford it and if you can pick it up on at an offer, try this one out. This is so good. I don't know why people are not talking about this product. I don't know किसी ने try भी किया है कि ये product. Then moving on to the final product are these nail paints from Zudio. Zudio के makeup के बारे में बहुत लोग बात करते हैं, but I don't know why many people are not talking about their new range that they have released. These are Zudio gel polish, and uh, they have that shine kind of a gel finish. And trust me, when I wore this and went to the salon, they asked, "Are you wearing a gel polish or are you wearing a normal polish?" They actually thought that I'm wearing a gel polish, but जबकि मैंने ये लगा रखा था. I did post a short about the Zudio haul. Zudio hauls मैं बहुत करते रहती हूँ. But amongst all the nail polishes that I got, these two colors like stood out the most. बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत color है. And why I like them is because they are super long lasting. Like 3-4 दिन के बाद भी उनका shine रहता है. Like because they are gel polish. और 5-6 दिन आराम से आपका नेल पॉलिश टिक जाता है. इट डजंट चिप वेरी बैडली, लाइक इट डजंट चिप एट ऑल. शाइन चला जाता है तो फिर मैं उसको निकाल के वापस लगा लेती हूँ. डिड गिव अ ब्रेक टू माई नेल्स. अभी मैंने वापस जेल पॉलिश करा लिया है. But I tried out so many nail polishes, but nothing even came closer to this. And these are for 79 rupees. I just wish कि they should bring more colors. Like colors उनके बहुत कम है. Amongst which सिर्फ ये 2 pastel colors मुझे दिखे. बाकी इनके पास पेस्टल कलर ज्यादा नहीं है. बट इफ यू गाइज are in a lookout for a good gel polish, like definitely check this one out. This one is in the shade lilac luster, and this one is in the shade pink pearl. So yeah, check this one out. So yeah, with that we have finished this video. I hope you guys like this video and found it helpful. If you guys are suffering or damage your skin barrier, definitely check a moisturizer amongst the one that I've shown you. I'm sure you will like it. All the products that I've shown you today are non-comedogenic, are tested on me, because ये सारे products खत्म होने को आया है. You guys can see ये भी almost खत्म हो चुका है. So all these products are tested on my sensitive skin and it worked out for me. But having said that, every skin type and every individual is different. If you guys think you are super sensitive, then do a patch test. You can do a patch test on it, on here. Or how I like to do a patch test if I'm doing is my neck area is extremely sensitive. I do get contact dermatitis over this area. So I kind of put those things on my neck and see whether I'm having any rash or not. Do a patch test for sure for yourself. And yeah, with that I think let's wrap up this video. I'm sorry ये video भी काफी लंबा हो गया होगा. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. I'll definitely do that one for you. So with that, I'm gonna take off and I shall see you in the next video super soon. Bye.